So I had some interest in my previous video, mainly around what machine I was using. Now I'm just a beginner to this, and so I just found this mid-range spot welding machine on AliExpress. It had decent reviews and did all the things that I'd imagined I'd want to do in the future. It did cost a few $100s, but there are simpler and cheaper options available online if you have a look. But I just wanted something that I would know would work straight out of the box. In that first video, I was just welding on some tabs to a single cell so I could solder a connector to it. Here you see me welding together two cells in parallel to create a larger capacity battery pack. So I guess this would technically be a 1S 2P battery. And to make assembly easier and neater, I just designed and 3D printed this little enclosure for the cells. This battery pack is to power a Raspberry Pi Zero 2, and I'm going to use the WiDi Pi 4 L3V7 that I talked about in a previous video to charge the batteries and power the Raspberry Pi from the batteries. So after soldering on the connector that came with the WiDi Pi 4 and taping everything down so there's no shorts, we can plug the battery into the WiDi Pi 4 and give it a test. We can see the flashing light on the WiDi Pi that indicates it's getting power, and if we press the on button, we can see the Raspberry Pi Zero start to boot up. If you're interested to see what I'm doing next with these components, remember to follow along to stay tuned for more.